All about Halloween. What is Halloween? Halloween is a holiday celebrated on October 31st. It originally stemmed from Christian festivals such as All Hallows' Eve. Nowadays, Halloween is associated with fear and excitement. Where did the name Halloween come from? Halloween is sometimes spelled Halloween, reflecting that its name comes from a shortening of All Hallows' Even. All Hallows is another name for the Christian holiday known as All Saints' Day. In All Hallows' Even means the same thing as Eve, the evening or day before a holiday, as in Christmas Eve. What are some Halloween traditions? During Halloween, it is expected to see jack-o'-lanterns on almost every front porch, spooky costumes, trick-or-treating, visiting haunted houses, and telling scary stories. Halloween costumes. People dress up in various creative and often thematic outfits, typically with spooky, imaginative, or humorous themes. Some key features of Halloween costumes include scary costumes, historical costumes, creative costumes, group costumes, children's costumes. Halloween costumes provide an opportunity for creativity and amusement, allowing people to express themselves in unique and extraordinary ways. Trick-or-treating. Pumpkins are an integral part of Halloween festivities. On this day, people carve pumpkins to make jack-o'-lanterns by hollowing them out and putting candles inside, which illuminate them. This tradition sets Halloween celebrations apart and adds an eerie ambience to the spookiest night of the year.